Hey guys, Dean from Hellacious, wanting to bring you an OTF video. We certainly sell a ton of them. We carry a couple makers in the store. We love all of them. And I figured I'd give you a run through of some models here on the table that you'll see, and I'll go through in a second. Obviously not an all-inclusive representation of our stock. We have tons more in stock in the store, so don't worry about that. Well, let's get into it. I'll start with the little guy here. This is the Microtech Daytona. Sell out pretty much within the same day we get them in. Does have the dual drivetrain, dual springs. You can adjust that, by the way, inside the knife. You can adjust this blade play once it starts. So you can see kind of the white lines on the edges. They're trying to make it look like marble. New style pocket clip. Really nice stone wash blade. I'll say it's pretty equal to the Autocrat. But again, you're not gonna have anything problems with this firing or anything like that. If you do, they have a lifetime warranty, and we send them back before you get them fixed. Alrighty, next one, same knife, just black. Yeah, it's the exact same knife. All right, then we get into Guardian Tactical, company out of Pennsylvania. This is their Recon 40. This is their biggest boy. 4-inch blade, that's the Recon 40. Made out of L-Max, pocket clip is reversible. Aluminum body. Their buttons are, buttery smooth. So I don't know what they do with their buttons. I believe there's bearings under here, but the button is nuts on these knives. They like the action. So this is stonewash. See the L-Max. Does have a glass breaker. So very cool knife. Weight. Bear with me as my scale turns on, is 6.2 ounces. So it's a little bit heavier than the Combat Trudon. You do get a little more blade, right? So if you look at the blades between the two, you are getting a little more blade in this one. Excellent knives. We've sold these for as long as we've been open. So we really like the Guardian Tactical folks and the folks over there, and as well as the product. Next, this was a Blade Show special. Carbon fiber inlay, L-Max, all blacked out. So one thing with them is if whatever the blade is, the rest of the hardware matches. So if you see, there's all the same DLC screws. Does have a glass breaker. New style clip. Weight on this guy is 3 ounces, exactly. Did a great job with this. Obviously, you see the cool skull clip. So if you're looking for an out the front to just burn regular razor blades on, this thing is amazing. Like these guys a lot. Alrighty. Price ranges, in the Microtech range, you're looking at, if you look at this, the least expensive knife is 192 bucks. The most expensive is sky's the limit, right? The guys we have on the table here are between $350 and $400. Maybe a little bit more like $425, but that's the range there. The Benchmades range anywhere between 365, and I'm sorry, 450 and 292.50, depending on which one you want. $300, I believe. If any of those prices are not right, I'll correct them in the description. So this is just a couple, guys, of the out the fronts that we have here in the store. We have cabinets full of them. Highly recommend you come in so you can play with them and find the one that actually fits, you know, your bill. You know, it's a very personal decision. So my recommendation is you come in, you play with them, and you pick the one you like. We also do ship. We ask that the people who come and buy these off our website, make sure that the state you live in is allowing you to own this. But other than that, guys, that's it. If you'd like, subscribe, smash the button. I'd appreciate it. You know, again, as you've heard other YouTubers, our worlds are under attack by left-wing media. So if you could please do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share the content. That's how our content gets shared to other folks. You can hit us up on the web at hellacious.com. That's HELACIOUS.com. You can reach us here at the shop at 800-936-3280 or any social media platform. So I hope you guys liked this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.